Hello, I'm Robert Reichard and I'm a test pilot with Airbus Americas, and today I'll be discussing the comfort for the pilots and crew while operating the ACJ TwoTwenty aircraft. I think experienced business pilots will enjoy the roominess of the cockpit, which will build into lower fatigue levels. We also afford them the rest areas because the airplane can fly over 12 and a half hours, so they'll be having the same comfort as some of the passengers in the back of the aircraft. We see that the seats come in on a J track, so they slide in and up into position. Huge windows, lots of visibility outside the aircraft. And also, with the lack of the control wheel steering, you can see that the visibility of the instruments, these 5 display units, is well within. There's no obstructions to the pilot. The side stick is comfortably placed here on the left-hand console, and we have a small rest here that's adjustable so that the pilot's armrest is always stable and he's always maintaining positive control of the aircraft. Business pilots will appreciate this aircraft. They can fly it like any other business aircraft. It has amazing performance, and couple that with twice the cabin space, the ACJ TwoTwenty is really a game changer in the business aircraft world.